start?
No, it didn't start there. No, the modeling was only a means to an end. I started making clothes for myself very early on, like maybe when I was 9, 10 years old. We had, my mother rented, we had this huge house in Amsterdam, and the top floors were rented, we rented rooms to mainly students. And one of them was very good. She was very short, and she made all her clothes herself because she couldn't buy anything. And I was very tall, and I couldn't find anything to buy. So she taught me how to sew. So I started making clothes for myself very early on. And then got attention that way. People would say, "What's that you're wearing?" And then I started making it for other people, and I started getting friends. I started making friends through making clothes because I was a pretty solitary kid before then. So to me, that was my kind of initial motivation, was loving clothes, loving fabric, loving making things, but now it was also getting me friends. So I wanted to be a fashion designer from the age of maybe 12, something like that. And then the modeling thing was really, it was almost a distraction. But because my mother was by then single and there was not really any, I don't know, path laid out the way we do with our children now for going to college, I had to figure it out on my own. And I figured that if I did modeling, I would make enough money to be independent and then to go to London, which is where the best fashion schools were and still are, and go to college there and do fashion there. So I did a bit of traveling, modeled for about 2 years. Then I settled in London, joined a model agency there, and I combined my modeling career with my fashion studies. So I went to college for 3 years and studied fashion in London while I was modeling.